Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix your auto brightness not working on OPPO A5m. And let's begin. And we can start with simply checking if we have auto brightness enabled. We can easily do that by first expanding our control center. Let's do it twice. As you can see here, we have some bunch useless buttons, and we have two bars here. The one on the right is for the volume, and the one on the left is for the brightness. Now what you don't know, probably, is the fact that you can click on the icon to turn it into an A, meaning that it's now automatic. We can also click it once again to disable the auto brightness. If for some reason it's not working for you, you can always do the same by simply going in settings, then scrolling down and going into display and brightness, and here we have our auto brightness, which does the exact same thing. As you can see, even the little A also appears. Now, if for some reason it's still not working for you, I would simply advise you to reboot your device. You can easily do that by going into Control Center, clicking three dots in the top right corner. Oh, sorry, you can. Never mind. It's not how you reboot your device. You reboot your device by pressing power button and probably volume up button, which is right here, and then going into restart. Now I know that restarting may seem kind of silly, but it does really help. Because whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting the software but also hardware as well. So that's incredibly important for rebooting the sensors that are responsible for checking for the brightness levels around you. So the auto brightness feature can work without any issues whatsoever. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.